All right, we're going to try this new lip color, Expert Last by NYC. It's in a great neutral that I've been using for a while now. The number is 418. If we can get that in focus, you guys could see it. And the color is Sugar Plum. I like it so far, but I want you guys to see it and tell me what you think. NYC, Expert Last, 418, and there it is, Sugar Plum. So let's give it a ride. All right, so here are my nude lips. We're going to see how this one works out. The next step for me, of course, is to apply my nude pencil. I am all about my lips and the shape, so I don't do any lipstick without a pencil. Now, I've had a lot of professional makeup artists do it without a pencil, and I just figure they're gifted. I'm not that gifted, so I like to have my line. So it's a nice neutral pencil to give shape and definition and a base. And here is the finished product. Got a little something going on there. I guess you're not supposed to do that on camera, but anyway, my camera, I did it. This is how the color looks on my lips. Expert Last by NYC. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm saying NYC. It could be Nick. I'm saying NYC. That is better to me. And the color is great. I've been wearing it the last few days. This is sort of my go-to right now favorite everyday color because it's not that much different from my natural lip color. It doesn't bleed. It's not all over glasses. It's not all over anything that my lips touch. And it's something that I don't have to retouch all day long because even if it gets a slight fade, it still has a really good color. So I am loving it. This is my everyday now. So just to recap, Expert Last, NYC, number 418 in the color Sugar Plum. Definitely a great everyday color. If you sort of like that peachy, sort of neutral, natural colors, you know, if you're sort of in that family for an everyday lipstick, this is great. And this is coming from someone who only does glosses. I don't really do a lot of lipstick because I find that it gets on my teeth and it's everywhere, and lip glosses work a lot better for me. This one doesn't transfer easily. It wears well. It wears for a long time. And it's a fantastic color for me. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Highly would recommend this. Pick it up.